Step into rustic charm with this front yard hardscape design, where natural stone pathways and retaining walls seamlessly blend with the surrounding landscape. Timber pergolas, adorned with cascading vines, offer a cozy retreat from the sun's rays, exuding a timeless allure. Gravel beds, brimming with resilient drought-tolerant plants, beckon with their effortless beauty and low-maintenance appeal. Wander through this tranquil oasis and feel a sense of harmony wash over you as nature and design intertwine in perfect balance. Embrace the rustic elegance of this outdoor sanctuary, where every stone and timber whispers tales of serenity and sanctuary. Transport yourself to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean with this inviting front yard hardscape design. Richly textured stamped concrete and cobblestone paving merge seamlessly, crafting a welcoming pathway to your abode. Adorning the route are terracotta urns overflowing with vivid blooms, infusing the air with a fragrant embrace. A picturesque wrought iron gate stands as a beacon of old-world allure, inviting guests to step into a realm of timeless beauty and tranquility. Embrace the allure of Mediterranean romance and create an enchanting entrance that whispers tales of distant shores and timeless elegance. Step into the urban chic realm with this modern industrial front yard hardscape design. Concrete retaining walls and steel planters brimming with resilient succulents and cacti create a striking juxtaposition of raw beauty and refined elegance. A metal pergola stands as a beacon of structure and shade, lending an industrial edge to the entrance. As twilight descends, Edison bulb string lights cast a soft, inviting glow, transforming the space into a cozy oasis after dark. Embrace the harmonious fusion of industrial elements and contemporary design, where every corner exudes an understated charm that's uniquely urban and utterly chic. Step into serenity with this captivating Asian-inspired front yard hardscape design. A peaceful Zen garden awaits, adorned with a tranquil dry riverbed of smooth river rocks, embraced by swaying bamboo and delicate ornamental grasses. Meander along the stepping stone pathway, each step a journey towards inner peace and harmony. Arriving at the minimalist entryway, a custom-designed wooden gate stands as a symbol of tranquility and balance, inviting you to leave the chaos of the world behind and embrace the calm within. Surrender to the soothing ambience of this Zen sanctuary, where every element whispers tales of mindfulness and serenity. Step into modern elegance with this contemporary front yard hardscape design. Clean lines and sleek geometric shapes define the pathway crafted from interlocking concrete pavers, guiding you gracefully to the doorstep. Elevated planters burst with vibrant drought-tolerant succulents and ornamental grasses, infusing the landscape with texture and verdant charm. As dusk falls, low-profile lighting fixtures effortlessly illuminate the path, casting a warm glow that beckons you home. Embrace sophistication and style with this striking fusion of form and function, a true testament to the beauty of minimalist design in outdoor spaces. Step into the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance with this captivating modern farmhouse front yard hardscape design. A gravel driveway, reminiscent of country lanes, sets the stage for the warm welcome that awaits. Reclaimed wood accents lend a touch of nostalgia and character, evoking the timeless allure of a bygone era. Raised planter beds burst with seasonal flowers and aromatic herbs, infusing the air with color and fragrance throughout the year. And there's no better place to soak it all in than the welcoming front porch, where rocking chairs beckon guests to slow down, relax, and savor the simple pleasures of country living. Step into timeless elegance with this traditional front yard hardscape design. A classic brick pathway, flanked by verdant foliage and vibrant blooms, offers a warm welcome to visitors. Symmetrical landscaping and meticulously manicured garden beds evoke a sense of order and balance, reminiscent of a bygone era of sophistication. At the heart of it all, a tiered fountain or charming birdbath commands attention, serving as a focal point that adds a touch of grace and serenity to the surroundings. Embrace the allure of tradition and create a front yard retreat that exudes timeless charm and undeniable beauty. Step into coastal paradise with this enchanting front yard hardscape design. A boardwalk-style pathway, reminiscent of lazy beach strolls, guides you to the front door. Alongside, sand dunes adorned with native beach grasses and vibrant flowering shrubs evoke the soothing rhythm of the ocean waves. Weathered driftwood accents and nautical-inspired decor pepper the landscape, adding a touch of seaside whimsy and charm. Let the salty breeze caress your senses as you meander through this coastal oasis, where every step conjures memories of sandy shores and sun-kissed days. Embrace the coastal magic and create your own slice of beachfront bliss right at home. Step into the enchanting world of the desert with this captivating front yard hardscape design. Gravel pathways wind their way through a landscape adorned with resilient native cacti and succulents, painting a picture of arid beauty and natural resilience. Boulders and rocks, each with its own story to tell, punctuate the scene, adding layers of texture and intrigue to the space. Amidst the desert landscape, a shaded seating area beckons, offering a cool retreat from the sun's relentless embrace. Surrender to the tranquil ambience and immerse yourself in the rugged splendor of the desert, where every corner whispers tales of resilience and untamed beauty. Step into the realm of modern minimalism with this sleek front yard hardscape design. A smooth concrete driveway sets the stage, flanked by effortlessly chic landscaping and striking sculptural accents. Corten steel planters brim with architectural grasses and native flora, providing a dynamic visual contrast against the clean lines of the surroundings. Meandering gracefully towards the entrance, a floating concrete walkway exudes understated elegance, beckoning visitors with its subtle allure. Embrace simplicity and sophistication in equal measure, as this contemporary oasis showcases the beauty of clean design and harmonious balance in outdoor spaces.